Hello everyone, this is Johnson, 强生仔仔. Today I will share a tutorial about how to import customer editor formatting in Netbeans. As we all know, in Netbeans we have built-in formatting, so I will add some indent for this line, and we choose the lines that we want to format. We can choose source and then format. You will be format here. However, this will be a little bit not so convenient, and especially if there's some people want to import their own custom editor formatting. That's what I want. So I want to, for example, I change this line, editor this line, and when I save this file, it should be formatting automatically for me. I want that. So I first, from the tools, option, I will say import, browse, import the setting that I have. You can import your own setting, customer setting. So this is for Java, for indentation. Okay, yes, save, and then we'll restart the Netbeans. Once it restart, your customer editor formatting already been set up in Netbeans. So we just have one step left. I will go to my file. I just need to say the tools, choose option again, and in editor we go to on save, and then not use all language setting, I just for Java, and reformatting I will say just modify lines only, and remove traveling web-based form, modify lines only, on save, apply, okay. In this case, if I change this line and this line, I just Control S, save the file, it will automatically formatting for us. So we will not influence other lines which we don't want. So I hope this can help you to import your own customer editing formatting in Netbeans. And thank you for watching. Bye.